Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender tutorials how to render 4K. To render 4K in Blender, you can go to Output Properties, you can click at this icon, and then you can change the percent into 200 to set the render into 4K. If you want to set it to 2K, you can set it to 100, but if you want to set into 4K, you can set to 100. You can render, click render tools, and then click render image. So to be sure for rendering image in 4K. Okay, that's it for basic Blender tutorials how to render 4K. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.